In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly. This powerful tool can help enhance your writing by catching errors you might overlook. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or even crafting the perfect article, Grammarly is designed to check grammar, punctuation, and spelling mistakes, and provides real-time suggestions to improve your writing style. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your search engine. Type in Grammarly and hit enter. This should bring up several results, but you'll want to click on the official Grammarly website. Once there, look for the option that says Get Grammarly. Clicking on this link will take you to the sign up page. If you're new to Grammarly, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, this process is straightforward. Enter your email, choose a password, and follow the prompts to complete the registration. If you already have an account, simply proceed by entering your email and clicking continue. For ease of access, you can also choose to continue with Google, which allows you to sign in using your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to Grammarly's homepage. From the homepage, direct your attention to the menu where you'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on it and you'll be able to see different versions of Grammarly available for download. If you're using a Windows computer, you can click on Install for Windows to download the desktop app. If you prefer using Grammarly on your browser, look for the option to install for Chrome. Clicking this will lead you to the Chrome web store where you'll need to add Grammarly as a browser extension. Simply click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once installed, a great tip is to pin the Grammarly extension to your browser's toolbar. This makes it easily accessible whenever you need it. To pin the extension, click on the puzzle icon in your Chrome toolbar and you'll see Grammarly among the list of extensions. Click the pin icon next to Grammarly to keep it handy. Now let's see Grammarly in action. Open up a Google Docs document or any other text editor you prefer. With Grammarly installed, you'll notice a small icon appearing while you type. Click on this icon and Grammarly will start analysing your writing, automatically highlighting areas where corrections or enhancements are suggested. These suggestions will appear as underlined sections in your text. Click on them for detailed feedback and consider implementing the recommendations to improve your writing. Using these insights, you can refine your document, ensuring it's polished and mistake-free, and there you have it. With these steps, you are now equipped to utilize Grammarly to its full potential, making your writing not only flawless but also more impactful. Thank you for watching and happy writing.